Hello YouTube, Johnny B here with another unpackaging video. I guess it's not an unboxing video. I already took it out of the box, but this is just a few little items. A couple items I don't have, and they weren't that expensive. They weren't that much really, but we're going to open them and see if they are in true BU condition or if they have milk spots or ugly toning. They're proof coins, so we're gonna see. And you know, I really like the coin. I've been wanting to buy a couple of them, so oh, that didn't work. Okay. All right. I have a tube for Peace dollars, Morgan dollars, and supposedly this thing's supposed to fit Ike dollars as well. Wow, that thing's huge. I guess if you're a Morgan dollar or a Peace dollar stacker and you want to put them in tubes and buy a bunch of them, these are going to take up a lot of space. These things are big. Let me get the packing slip out of the way. Okay. Just stuff out of here. Come to daddy. All right. So these are what I wanted to really look at here. These are supposed to be in BU condition. These are bicentennial silver proof Kennedy half dollars from 1968 or 76. Looks pretty good. I really love the reverse of these. Independence Hall. Okay. And we'll just open these real quick. These are just Call Peace dollars. I'm gonna, since the premiums on the BUs are $10 or $11 now, and I was paying, I think, what was it, $34, $35 for BU Morgans, and now they're 40, 41. So the premiums are just really, really high right now. But what are you going to do? You can't stop stacking just because the premiums are high. the precious metals markets and these places like apmex and Provident Metals, they're anticipating a rise in the precious metals market anyways, and that's why they're jacking up their premiums. And there's a lot of people that are ticked off about it, but what are you going to do? You know, they got to make money too. You know, they're anticipating, you know, the dollar to lose value, and they're one step ahead of the game. So, you know, you can't just be like, well, I was, you know, might as well just stop stacking because of the premiums. No. And dollar face value, some junk quarters. Getting into these peace dollars. I'm not going to even really look at the dates or anything because I know they're probably all 22s and 23s. But hey, that's one. It's a little nicer one for a coal. I bought 5 of these. I think I'm gonna start stacking these. Get a couple tubes of them tubed up here in the next month or so. But it's still silver. You can't go wrong, right? All right. 5 peace dollars, $1 worth of junk quarters, and some pretty cool bicentennials, bicentennial Kennedy halves and BU. I like the reverse capsules for them here. Silver and gold actually made a pretty good move Thursday, and then about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock on Thursday this week, it just fell back to kind of where it was. I think gold was up to $17.50 and silver was kind of close to $18.35, $18.40, something like that. So we're getting to 1800 on gold, and I think it's going to happen here before the end of July. It might get there and then pull back to like 1760, but it's going to go. It's going to get to 1800 and then eventually 2000 and eventually 2500. Because 26 trillion in debt. We're spending $1 trillion a month. You better make sure you have some silver coins in your house. All right, guys, that's the video for this week or this couple weeks. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.